Okay, so we have the Minisite text on there. The next thing to add, if I just bring up the finished design, is we'll add the tagline on there, which is how to build this Minisite, a complete beginner's guide. Of course you can put anything you like on there, but for now we'll just stick with that. Okay, if I go back to, oops, I'll just minimize this. We'll go back to our design. What I'm going to do is, again, I'll just copy an existing piece of text. I'll copy the Minisite text for now, and then we'll edit from there. So if I grab that layer, click and hold that down, and then just drop it onto the make new layer icon, you see we have a copy of that. I'll just move it down to here. Again, the move tool selected up here. Roughly position that. That doesn't really matter for now. And we'll go ahead and edit this. First of all, I'll just change the size down to 16, because when we, and we'll be around again, because when we retype this, if I had kept it at 50 points, obviously that would have been very, very large and too long for the page. So 16 is the size that we want it. And I'll just check what I need to say again. How to build a Minisite, a complete beginner's guide. So we'll just double click on there to get the edit up again. So it's how to build this Minisite, a complete beginner's guide. Now, as you can see, I've missed the capital B of beginners there. That was semi-deliberate, just to show you something. With the text tool selected, what I can do is, if I drag the icon over the text here, you see it changes to this icon. Now if I go somewhere near the letter B here, right in front of the letter B, and click, hold down and just drag, what I can do is I can edit just parts of the text rather than double clicking on the layer and editing the whole lot. So if I could just go to the B there, and if I just type Shift and B, you see it replaces it with a capital B. Let's have a look. If I just bring the text up again, I've also misspelt how. How I've done that, I don't know. How, misspelt how. Anyway, so if I just change that, how to build this Minisite, a complete. There we see the C on complete is not a capital. Capital C. A complete beginner's guide. Then we'll just position that there, which is good. We'll just go to the original. We can see that's, you know, getting there. The original one actually is a little bit larger than that, so what we'll do is we'll just change the text size, and we'll change that, rather than change the size, because we like that size at the moment. It's the tracking that we just want to change the size of. So we've changed that to -20, and again move that. What we can see is that now takes up the full length of the main title, which just balances everything out. It looks quite nice. The next thing we need to do is go through the options again down in our character palette. Just change them to what we have on the original here. I'll just minimize that for now. And the first thing is the colour, and that wants to be pure white, 255, 255, 255. Well, there we go. And I believe, yep, that's everything that we need on there. So that's the tagline on there, and in the right position.